So what is the value of IVS Investment Banking? Well, IVS Investment Banking is an intermediary. The primary value is we make the market, which means that we take it to a very large number of buyers or financial sources and basically try to get the best deal to rise to the top on behalf of the client. So inside of that question is, kind of who are these groups? How many of them are there? What is kind of our length of relationships with them? You've kind of got two different sets. You've got a financial buyer group, which is kind of going to be your private equity groups and maybe your banks and your mezzanine financing sources. And that's kind of the group that I bring to the table. Since I've been in kind of the financial side of the world my entire professional career, we have over 200 of those groups we go to make the market. I've known many of them for 10 plus years, having been in this industry and know how they work. Kind of the other side of the value equation of who is the group we take these opportunities to is kind of the BIC Alliance Rolodex. And in many of these are operating companies, many of them are advertisers in BIC and so forth, but these are groups that are industrial-oriented type of companies, and we try to target, usually 100 million in sales to $1 billion in sales. And this group, it's an ever-growing group as our sector keeps growing, and it's anywhere from 50 to 80 more names to add to this list. So, and many of these have the same kind of long tenured relationships with the BIC executives and so forth. So when you add these two together, that's what gives you this specialty niche of buyers of these downstream industrial target companies that we represent, that these type of acquiring or financing groups like.